one of the wettest places on Earth. It rains over half of the year, about 200 or more days of the year. We get an annual rainfall anywhere between 7 to 90 through the mountainside. Get on out there, hopefully it's clear enough on the horizon. Might even be able to spot the Sydney Opera House. We'll have a quick look at that one and then we'll spin around and we'll come back down the northern side. As we come back down the northern side, we're going to stop at the underwater observatory. We've got about 36 people scheduled to get off there today. So you'll have additional black passes that, funnily enough, have underwater observatory written all over it. So we'll probably drop you off at about 3 o'clock at the observatory. And then we're going to take everyone who's not going back to the harbour. We'll get back in at about 3:30. Deepest point being about 65. It's one of 2 natural anchorage points in Deepwater Basin, as it is nice and shallow to drop anchor. But it's also sheltered away from this main channel that can get pretty rough and pretty windy on occasion. That's tucked away around the corner, as you might see as we progress through the fjord. All of our local fishing fleet, we've got a commercial fishing fleet. Certainly knows how to dig the gold from the bank accounts to be kept. But just a few different minerals around here. And Doc or the Department of Conservation, their whole saying is take nothing but photos and leave nothing but footprints. Whole idea of trying to preserve this place for future generations to come. But we locally know it as Windy Point or Hurricane Alley, as you're feeling at the moment with those winds getting pushed and funneled through here. We have a little anemometer or a weather station. Literally the west coast of Aotearoa, New Zealand, often referred to be called the wet coast. And look at that view that's opening up in front of us, pretty stunning. You can't actually buy this on a postcard or anything, so make sure you get a photo of it. When Captain Grono came through here for the
one species, we have a kind of a sponge to remove the second one, and these ones, they're the worst because we need to put a plate, a tube, a syringe, some chlorine, stay there for 20-40 minutes, and then suck back the chlorine because you don't want the too late, we're close. You can see that all the windows on the top left you have a number. So if you reach 16 you have also a sea perch. The sea perch and the scorpion fish, they are quite similar. They have a poisonous spine on the back and they are very good in camouflage.